Now, Bache, one more topic is there in this chapter, that is deferred revenue expenditure. There are certain expenditures which are revenue in nature, but the benefit of which is likely to be derived over a number of years. This is revenue in nature, but their benefit can be taken for many years. Such expenditures are termed as deferred revenue expenditures. The benefit of such an expenditure generally lasts between 3 to 7 years. We can take their benefit from 3 to 7 years. As such, the whole of such expenditure is not debited to the profit and loss of the current year, but spread over the years for which the benefit is likely to last. If we have spent some expenditure for 7 years, so we will charge that expenditure from the 7 years profit. It will not be taken from any 1 year's profit, it will be charged from 7 years profit. So thus only a part of such expenditure is taken to profit and loss every year, and written off portion is allowed to stand in assets account. This is prepaid like expenditure. Na? Deferred revenue expenditure is a kind of asset because we have paid in advance. So for example, a firm spent a huge amount of rupees 2 lakh on advertising to introduce a new product into the market. A firm have spent a lot of money to introduce a new product into the market, and it is estimated that its benefit will last for 4 years. In this case, rupees 50,000 will be charged to profit and loss of each years for 4 consecutive years. But if we have spent rupees 2 lakh this year and its benefit will be taken for 4 years, so 2 lakh divided by 4, 50,000 will be the expenditure of every year. 50,000 is the expenditure of first year and 150 will be the asset. And in second year, 50 will become the expenditure and 1 lakh will become the asset. And in third year, 50 will expenditure and 50 will be the asset. And in fourth year, all 50 will be the expense. This is deferred revenue expenditure whose benefit we are taking for number of years, since 3 to 7 years. So accounting treatment, rupees 50,000 will be debited to profit and loss each year, and the balance will be shown in asset account. So this was your chapter capital and revenue.